Welcome back to Educate English. If you're aiming for a high score on the IELTS, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Writing Task 1, focusing on how to describe graphs, charts, and diagrams effectively. Let's get started. First, let's look at the types of visual data you might encounter. You could see bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, tables, or even diagrams showing processes. Which type do you find most challenging? Write it in the comments, and I'll respond with tips specific to that type later in the video. Now, when describing any visual, it's crucial to follow a structured approach. Let's break it down into detailed steps. 1. Overview statement. Start with a clear overview statement. This should summarize what the graph or chart represents. For example, if you have a bar chart showing population growth over 10 years, you might say, the bar chart illustrates the population growth of several countries from 2010 to 2020. Two. Key features. Next, highlight the key features. This means identifying the most significant trends or standout data points. For instance, you could say, notably, country A experienced the highest growth at 20%, while country B saw a slight decline of 5% during the same period. Three. Details and comparisons. Now, let's dig deeper. You should provide detailed comparisons and support your overview. For example, in contrast to country A's increase, country C's growth was only 10%, significantly lower than the leader. Additionally, while most countries showed growth, country B's decline is an anomaly. Four. Specific data. Be specific with your data. Instead of just saying most countries increased, mention exact figures. For example, you could say, by 2020, countries D and E both reached a population of over 15 million. Interactive exercise. Now, let's make this interactive. Look at the graph on your screen. Take a moment to write your own overview statement in the comments. I'll provide feedback on some of your responses. Great job, everyone. Remember, clarity and coherence are essential. Use linking words like however, in addition, and similarly to connect your ideas. Let's practice using these linking words and sentences. Common mistakes to avoid. Now that we have a structure, let's talk about common mistakes. Many candidates often 1. Forget to include an overview. 2. Use vague language instead of specific data. 3. Fail to make comparisons where necessary. 4. Overlook the importance of linking words. Here are a few final tips. Practice with sample graphs and charts regularly. Time yourself to improve your speed. Review high-scoring sample answers to understand what works well. Don't forget to proofread your response for any grammatical errors. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Educate English for more IELTS tips and strategies. Your support helps us create more valuable content just for you. If you want more practice materials or specific video requests, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep practicing. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you next time.